Hi and welcome to the Techie Admin channel. Today I want to show you a few tips and tricks on how to better use Chrome or any other internet browser. The first thing I want to show you is a few shortcuts on how to make your browsing a little bit faster. The first thing would be to try opening a new tab using just your keyboard. So you would press Ctrl T and it'll open a new tab. Now let's open up a website in here. So now I have the weather website open, and if I close that, and I'm like, oh, I actually did want to have it open. So what you would click is Ctrl Shift T, and it will open up the last website that you were on. The next thing I want to show you is how to quickly locate something on a site. So in this case, I'm looking at an article for Alberta, and I want to find out what the capital city of Alberta is. So what I would do is I would press Ctrl F and type in the word capital. And as you can see, it highlights all the words that say capital. And in this case, it's pretty easy to find that Alberta's capital is Edmonton. Next, I want to show you a few troubleshooting tips in case something happens to the website you're looking at and something is just not working or not opening. So the first and easiest thing to do is to refresh a website. So naturally, you can go to this button over here, but you can also press Ctrl R and that will refresh the website. Or alternatively, you can press F5 and that does the exact same thing. Now, if simple refresh didn't do it, what you can do is go up here where the three dots are, click on that and go into settings. Once that has opened, scroll down all the way where it says advanced. And under that, look for the thing that says clear browsing data. Now in here, there's three buttons under the basic and they're probably just what you're looking for. So you can clear your browsing history, you can clear your cookies, and then you can clear your cached images and files. What this will do is it will potentially take away some annoying advertisements that have been following you around for a while. And it will also restore, kind of start everything from scratch. So maybe if a website is sort of stuck with you, sort of half logged in and half not logged in, then that should really fix it. So all you have to do is click the button that says clear data. Wait for that to load. It may take a second if you haven't done it in a while. And off you go. Try to restart that website again and see if that works now. And that's all for today. I hope you learned something new. And if you did, hit thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this. See you next week. Bye.